These are the three long vowels in Arabic, and they are long vowels as long as they have sukun on top, and the letter before them has a short vowel of the same nature. And this is what we call natural med in the Quran, and we extend them for 2 harakat. Like in this example. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ لَا تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ. So here, you have to remember to extend the natural med or med tabi'i properly, which is 2 counts. If these conditions are not met, so for example, there is a short vowel on the waw or the ya, then they will turn into a semi-vowel. This, however, is not possible for the alif. So every alif you see in the Quran is a pure long vowel with natural med. So we will not focus on it in this lesson. But in the case of waw and ya, they can sometimes change their state from a semi-vowel to long vowel, depending on whether you stop at them or link them to the following word. And this causes many common mistakes, especially with these 2 words, huwa and hiya. The problem with these 2 words is that they are very common in the Quran, and that if you keep on reading, the waw and the ya will be dealt with as semi-vowels, since they have fatha on top, which means that you can't extend them for 2 harakat because they are not long vowels anymore. However, when you stop at them, the fatha will turn into sukun, which means that the waw and ya will turn back into being a long vowel, which will require you to extend them for 2 harakat to pronounce them properly. Let us consider the following examples. Here, if we link huwa with the word that comes after it, there won't be any natural med found in this word whatsoever. Allahu la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum. But if you want to stop at this word, you will have to extend the waw for 2 counts, since it will turn into a long vowel. Allahu la ilaha illa hu. So here it would be wrong not to extend if you stop at huwa. So it would be wrong to say Allahu la ilaha illa huwa. One more example. قالوا ادع لنا ربك يبين لنا ما هي إن البقرة شابه علينا. Here again, if you stop at this word, you will end up with a long vowel that didn't exist if you had linked the 2 words together. قالوا ادع لنا ربك يبين لنا ما هي. So if you keep on reading, there won't be a long vowel to extend. But if you stop at the word, you will have to deal with the long vowel and extend the natural med for 2 counts. This, however, is not exclusive to the words huwa and hiya, and it can occur with other words as well, like in these examples. فَأُولَئِكَ عَسَى اللَّهُ أَن يَعْفُوَ عَنْهُمْ فَأُولَئِكَ عَسَى اللَّهُ أَن يَعْفُوا وَلَوْ تَوَاعَدتُّمْ لاختلفتم في الميعاد ولكن ليقضي الله أمرا كان مفعولا. So when dealing with words that end with waw or ya, you have to pay extra attention to make sure that you don't leave out a natural med without extending it, since natural med or med tabi'i is mandatory and you have to meet every single one of them in the Quran. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something new today. If you did, please like and share the video for other people to learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.